Okey doke. Not much time today. I only have 18 minutes because. Oh, fuck my glasses. Hold on. I only have 18 minutes because I gotta fly out, go visit family tomorrow. So I had to pack, and I also wasted an hour. So it was gonna be an hour and 18, but yikes. I had to cook too. Cooking took a little. So GG. Oh, also had to work on my car. Order something because the center console's fucked up. I have to get a plastic part replaced. Some little pin holder thing broke off. Disassembled it, and whatever. Then there's some other shit. Battery died same day. But the same day that no. The center console thing's been ongoing, but the battery died. And the same day the battery died, the door handle's coming out. Which doesn't make any sense. I don't know how that works. So I'm gonna get the battery checked tomorrow, and I'm gonna ask the same guy, hey yo feller, you got an opinion on this here door? What you think? Cause I don't know nothing about doors. What are we hearing? What's when run with input? Okay, so yesterday we started command line arguments. Command line arguments. Do I have any going right now? Or no, it's wait, what? What is it? Is it debugging? Command line? Oh yeah, okay. We had one. Oh yeah, because we were doing it as a character. And they're only received as characters, apparently. So in argv, or argc, that's the argument count, but we can call it whatever we want. And then a pointer to a character, and it's called argv, and it's an array of pointers to characters. Then we can get them and do things. Okay. Run with input 567. Doing something. Okay. Hold, please hold. Let me reread what's happening here. IOStream, we're getting string stream, and I think the point was what to extract it. Is it because it's an output stream and the point is I can extract it to my int? And the point is it's converting it, a string stream converts it to the data type that's receiving it? Oh, well, yeah, because it's an integer, right? So if we run 567, these are characters. This is a string 567, right? Which means 567 somehow gets converted to integer action. String. And this is if this fails, if this extraction fails. The point is a string stream can extract command line arguments to be whatever type it's extracted to. That's how we start. Excuse me. In argc, argument count, character pointer array of them called argv. We need IOStream because we need standard character output to print. We need sstream. Need standard string stream? Oh, I guess that's what it's called. String stream. The point is we're getting the string and somehow doing a thing with it. Not sure what else we need. So the point is we're passing something. Okay, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Okay. And we're gonna do an int. Argument int. Okay. And we're going to create a standard string stream. I'm going to just call it the argument stream, or the command line argument stream. Almost like command line argument stream. Oh, but it's not the whole thing. So it's stream element. I'm going to call it that. And we're going to get argv0. So int, we're going to convert command line argument string 2. Object initialized with command line argument that converts destination type to extraction target type. Okay? And we're going to say if stream element, we're somehow extracting to arg int, okay? And we're saying if not this, meaning that it failed, extraction of stream element, extraction from stream object, or like stream intermediate object, because we have the stream and it gets put into this intermediate object that it gets converted to, or converted from. It's like characters come into the input buffer and we're grabbing them and saving them, or saving the first argument, saving it here, and then we're converting from there. So from the stream intermediate object, I'm going to say this intermediate stream object fails to convert to int, then arg int is 0. Then initialize arg int. Has side effect of extracting the stream value, or the command line argument, right? And this is interesting. argv0? Why are we doing argv0? Isn't that first command line argument name of the program? I don't know if I'm doing this right. I don't know if I even do anything with this. Zero. So it failed. What are we doing? Are we doing some casting? Are we doing some other shit? I thought the point is that we were saving it, but we weren't, though. Is it not this? Is it size minus 1? And the size in this case would be 2 because we're passing it 1. But it also has 1 by default, which is the program's name. Passing it 1, 2, 3. So what if we do argv1? Oh shit. And so is it argc minus 1? Is that the point? Oh, so did insert. Okay. Point here is argc. In this case, we're adding, so basically we're calling main with 2 arguments, and they are name on main cpp, whatever, and it's, I don't know, let's say it's C drive on main cpp, something like that. And then also the second one is 1, 2, 3, but string. The point is we are extracting, so here's the size. The size is 2 because 1, 2. And we're saying get the size, so 2, which would be the element that we don't have, 1 further, minus 1. Okay. Oh, we are doing 1. Okay. Oh, and we're also handling the arguments, saying, so let's see what happens. Oops, I didn't build, but okay. What if we remove these? say if argc is less than or equal to 1, this means only name prompt user when only name is passed, the name or nothing is passed as arguments. Is the point saying handling if it's 0 here? If it's 0, then if it's 0, then it should just be, is it just 1? And if it's only 1, then we need to do this. So are we saying usage path arg? And then else if, what are we also checking to see if it's 0? Or are we just doing both? I think we actually were doing both. Else if argc, well, hold. If this is less than or equal to 1, so is the point that we're handling 0 first? Because if we handle 0 first, then we would need to check to see if this is 1 or if it's less than 0. But actually, I think, wouldn't we handle if it's 1 first? And then also handle if it's 0 or less? Oh, oops, I didn't mean to do assignment. Else if argc is less than or equal to 0, then the usage is just the arg, right? In this case, we have nothing. So we need to put in, so it had one argument, or it already had one, and it needs the other. Okay, so what are we doing here? Saying, oh, we're saying if it's less than or equal to 1, we're checking to see if there's a first element or not. Hold. If argc is less than or equal to 1, when only the name or nothing is passed argument. Nothing are passed as arguments. That's the R. And so we're going to say if argv0, if first argument exists, have at least one argument. Oh, because argc, wait, hold on. Why are we saying if, are we, is the point that we're handling Pimple's not ready to go, it's my eyebrow. We're handling how many arguments have been passed, because I forget, it's not, it's that it's interesting that we're not calling main with initializer list or something, because main here is argc and argv. It's not all the arguments, it's an array of all the arguments. So somehow all the arguments are passed in, and somehow main is getting an array from somehow. Point is, we're saying if the first argument is valid, so if there's a valid first argument, then are we saying we need to print the next thing. The usage is tells you to add argument usage argv0, and it lets us use argv0 arg2, and then saying what otherwise usage. If there is no first argument, then it's just arg1. Let's see. If this program was called with one arg, tells it to add one arg name, tells it to add another. If program isn't called with arg, no name, tells it to add main arg. Okay, so in our case, we're saying, okay, we've passed no arguments, but it saw that so it's one or less. It saw that there's at least one, because the size of argv is at least one because it's valid. So there's at least one element. And this only activates if it's less than or equal to 1, so there can't be 2. It's only 1. Okay? For one arg, still use it to enter another, because that's the one we're actually doing shit with. And so, oh, hey, by the way, you call this program with this, so add in this other argument. Oh, yes, sir, I can do that. Go here, and we'll add in our second argument. Second arg. Nice. I'm curious what it's going to convert to. Boom. Oh, we're cooked. It was multiple, and it wasn't able to convert. And I could do something like this. Failed to extract intermediate buffer object. What's happening here? Oh, oops. Hold. Want the first arg? Okay. But now, say, oh, so what if we do a big number? Well, I mean, that's not what the line reads anymore. Okay. Oh, and it can extract. Interesting. I wonder how it actually does that extraction. Let's look that up real quick. CPP reference standard. Fuck. What is it called? String stream? Basic string stream. Extracts formatted data. And so does that mean that it formats it by putting it into whatever it needs to be? This is the public member function of. Oh, so string stream has some operator overloading, and it looks like if this is a type traits, it almost looks like a standard array. Oh, because it's a type of input stream. That makes sense. Okay. Yeah, they're probably similar. Okay. Do the conversion. I'd rather say how this is converting, what the hell is happening. Never seen this before, so we don't know. Oh, wow, what's happening? Oh, it has some operator overloading. Oh, well, okay. I forgot this guy's so good. Always does it. I always second guess him. I shouldn't have. Okay. Works much, and he's saying it exactly here. I was just getting ahead of myself. Stupid. Sorry, Alex. italics in this case, right? Sir. Okay. In this case, we're initializing with the second argument, which shouldn't be the name, so that we can use the extraction operator to pull it to an integer, just like we would with standard character. Right? Exactly. Perfect. Talk about string stream in a future chapter. Okay. The OS parses command line argument. If you type something at the command line, the operating system does some shit. It seems like one, it's extracting it as a string. Oh, and the point is maybe some things you type are invalid, and it makes it so it doesn't even call it, maybe? Parsing any arguments to determine how they should be handled and passed. And it probably also involves finding out how many there are. Special rules about how special characters like double quotes and backslashes are handled. Oh, but here comes, it's going to do some crazy shit. Oh, so putting the string makes it combine these two. Okay. I got to get some sleep. I got a plane ride tomorrow. And my plan is to start working on the Liar's Bar clone. Where you're at a bar, there's a card for this round, and the cards are real. You could do card counting, maybe, but we don't actually know because it's. I don't really know. Well, actually, no, we do, because there are 4 people, and let's say it's one deck. How many queens are? That's the question, right? Aren't there 4 of each type? Jack, queen, spade, ace, or sorry, jack, queen, jack. Shit. Wait, bro, I'm not even saying. Oh my god, jack, queen, diamond, spade. I can't. Diamonds, hearts, spades, clubs. Go. So 4 of those means if someone, there's no way. How would you know how many there are? See how owls. Oh, fuck it. Let me open it up real quick. No. Called. It's gonna cut right at the end of me. Yep, of course. No. Alright, I'll put it on. Fuck it, I'll just pull this up, Markiplier. Alright, Markiplier, I'm doing this just to learn what this is real quick. Hold on, not dice. Please don't tell me you're doing dice. Okay, good. Alright. Hold. We go here. Okay. Oh shit. There it is. Alright, Mark, I'm not looking at you. This is fair use. Okay. So there are 3 people. So there are 2 of each. Or hold. So there are king, aces, queens, jokers. So it's actually either aces table, queens table, or kings table. And 2 jokers, that's all? Wow. Wait. Serious? So I'm guessing that if there were 4 people, then there'd be 8, 8, 8, and then still maybe 2? 18 to 20 cards in this case. But I'm guessing it would be 26, right? Have to be 24 plus. And it'd really just be bum 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 bum. Joker gets moved over. So the point is there are 2. Okay. Oh, true, because how many cards? There are 3 people. Right? There are 20 cards. Wait, hold on. Right? There are 20 cards. How many You never draw, you just get a hand of 5. Isn't it always 5? So 5, 5, 5? Does it matter? I guess not. Maybe it's always the same. So if there are 4 people, oh, I guess not. There are just always 20 cards. You just get them. You never know. Okay. Okay. Something like that. Someone goes, the next person decides which cards to place down. The next person calls liar or puts down their cards. Then you and have a choice each time. You get to call. There's randomness. When you shoot, bullet gets removed, so each person actually has a gun. There's a player. The player has the gun. The player has the hand, and the hand has an array of 5 cards. The card is a data type, and maybe there's an enum in there. Okay, yeah, I guess you have an array of enums maybe, and it's a standard vector because the array can be resized. We can move elements from it. Its default size is 5 though, so there's no reallocating. Cool. Turn the game. It'd be nice if I could include some sort of header or some sort of library stuff to make it so that time elapses. Oh, I can. I do a loop and I keep getting the current time until there's a certain amount past previous time. I did this at standard steady clock before. I don't remember how, but okay. It's 9 minutes past bedtime. I need to go to sleep. We're going to do generally operating. Tomorrow I'll try and, I'll record on the plane. That's how it is. Okay? That's it for now. 27. It's not absolutely crap, but still not good. But okay, more studying.